Black Friday is almost here, and there are some exciting deals for camera lovers. Many new and old flagship cameras and lenses are getting massive discounts. If you need to upgrade your old gear or you're new to the camera scene, then this is the right time to jump in. In this video, we're going to help you to find some lucrative deals that you can grab on this occasion. Sony A7R4 can give you phenomenal landscape photography thanks to its 61 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor. The Beyond X processor powered the body that's capable of capturing a burst mode at a rate of 10 frames per second in the JPEG or compressed RAW format. It can shoot up to 4K at 30 FPS, which is downsampled from 6K, so the video looks crisp and smooth in every corner. This Black Friday, the Sony A7R4 has a $502 discount and is on sale for $2,998. If you're an image quality freak and landscape or portrait is your preferred mode, Nikon D850 is the one you need. It features a 45.7 megapixel BSI sensor accompanied by X-Speed 5 image processor that ensures a faster and smoother experience. Even when the DSLR market is constantly shrinking, D850 still holds up to the current market standard and is regarded as one of the best DSLR cameras. You can currently get the Nikon D850 at $2,497 in a whopping $500 discount. The OM1 comes with features to drool over. Powered by a 20 stack BSI Live MOS sensor and a new TruePix processor, it gives you the ability to shoot continuously at 120 FPS and 3 times more processing power. This makes the camera a great contender in the astrophotography scene, where it'll give you better astral images with more data to process. And with the press of a button, you can switch to the high-res mode that can take excellent handheld images. OM1 is now going for $1,800, which is normally priced at $2,200. Fujifilm GFX 50S2 is a medium format camera that packs a 51 megapixel CMOS sensor in a manageable form factor with a 3.2-inch tilting LCD touchscreen. If you need better images with greater resolution and details, this is the perfect camera for you. It's Fujifilm's third 50 megapixel camera and the first one to feature in-camera image stabilization. The regular price of GFX 50S2 is $4,000, but you can get it now for just only $3,200. Canon's R6 is in many ways a far more fascinating camera and one that appeals to a much larger portion of the market. It has a 20.1 megapixel full-frame CMOS sensor and a DJI processor. This camera is capable of shooting 12 frames per second with its mechanical shutter and 20 FPS with the electronic shutter. Its sensor is capable of 4K and 60 FPS 10-bit at 4x2x2 with a slight crop. R6's dual-pixel CMOS autofocus works like a charm, which includes 1053 focusing points and covers almost the full sensor. The Canon R6 currently has a $200 discount and the offer price is $2,299. If you are eyeballing the GoPro 11 Black, then now it's the time to grab it. It features a larger 1x1.9 sensor with 10-bit color support. The sensor is capable of shooting at 5.3K at 60 FPS and 4K at 120 FPS. This year, GoPro includes the buttery Hypersmooth 5.0 and a full 360-degree horizontal lock, so you don't need to buy any mods to get this feature. The body itself is waterproof up to 33 feet out of the box, making Hero 11 the most feature-packed action camera that you can find today. With a $150 discount, GoPro is selling Hero 11 for $400. If you're on the hunt for a 24mm wide-angle prime lens, then you definitely have come across the Sony FE 24mm. It combines features, optical performance, and good autofocus into an attractive, reasonably sized package. It's a very capable landscape lens, but when it comes to weddings, events, and portrait photography, where a wide angle of view is very important, this lens shines. Currently, the lens is $100 off and is going for $1,298. GF 35-70mm is the fourth zoom lens designed specifically for Fujifilm's GFX medium format mirrorless cameras. The lens is optically composed of 11 elements in 9 groups, but there's no built-in optical image stabilization in the lens. Instead, it relies on the GFX camera body to provide that. There's a $500 discount going on overall, and you can get this lens for just $499. The Canon RF 35mm macro lens might not be among the most exciting lenses out there, but it has many perks that you may want to get this one. It provides macro capabilities down to an object magnification of 1:2 and also has 5-stop image stabilization. The build quality is very good considering it has a full plastic body. Overall, you get the best value for money from it. The lens usually goes for $500, but now you can get it for $400. Almost all photographers need at least one zoom lens to ensure the general purpose focal length range. Sony FE 24-70mm can fulfill your dream of having a medium-sized zoom lens without breaking the bank. It's super lightweight and handy to use. You can use it for commercials, weddings, or even do vlogs if you have enough space in your back. If you're looking for a general purpose zoom lens, this is the one. Currently, it's having a $200 discount and going for only $698. With a 1x1.7 CMOS sensor and f-stop 2.8 aperture, DJI Action 2 packs in top-level video capability that can go up to 4K at 120 FPS. It has DJI's latest electronic stabilization Rocksteady 2.0 and Horizon Steady to provide horizon-level solid stability. You can have an additional touchscreen to control and navigate the menu easily if you get a dual-screen combo pack. DJI Action 2 dual-screen combo goes for $519, but during the Black Friday offer, you can get it for only $359. DJI FPV is the best first-person drone that can provide you with an immersive flying experience. It features a 12-megapixel 1x2.3-inch sensor that can shoot at 4K. The body comes with a built-in gimbal and stabilization, and it can fly for up to 20 minutes at a speed of 25 mph. The drone itself is significantly more complex and niche than other DJI drones. If you buy the drone now, you can save up to $100 and get the FPV combo for $899 officially. Zhiyun Crane M2S has a small form factor as phone gimbals, yet it's strong enough to hold many modern mirrorless cameras. You can mount it on phones, cameras, and action cameras and have a Hollywood-level shooting experience. There's also a 0.66-inch display that'll provide necessary information about the camera and gimbal. With the combo pack, you'll get additional accessories and a very handy backpack. Zhiyun Crane M2S Combo's current offer price is $259, which is a $90 flat discount. If you're looking for a full-fledged professional camera gimbal, DJI RONIN-SC is the perfect option for you. This gimbal is tested heavily for ensuring a payload of 4.4 pounds while achieving a smooth cinematic shot. Its 3-axis arms keeps the camera payload above the roll axis so you can watch the camera screen uninterruptedly. And syncing the gimbal with the Ronin app, you can get additional controls and features which minimize hardware tuning. With a 36% discount, RONIN-SC's offer price is $279. If you're a filmmaker and you're looking for an affordable monitor for your setup, Atomos Shinobi 7 is the best one out there. It's a 7-inch display that supports 4K HDMI/SDI HDR photos and videos at 60 or 120 FPS. It's very lightweight and easy to carry and mount with the camera gear. The screen is bright enough to shoot outside, and for indoor shootings, it works like a charm. If you get the Shinobi 7 now, you'll get a flat $200 discount and will cost you around $499 only. So, that was a list, guys. Do you have any wish list for Black Friday? Share with us in the comment section down below.